सम्राट चौधरी sworn as the 24th Chief Minister of Bihar on 15 अप्रैल 2026. Oath ceremony held in Lok Bhavan, Patna. Administrator Governor Syed Ata Hussain, Birendra Prasad Jadhav and Vijay Chaudhary Jadhav sworn Deputy CM. सम्राट चौधरी 16 नवंबर 1968 को लखनपुर मुंगेर डिस्ट्रिक्ट बिहार में जन्म हुआ. फादर शकुनी चौधरी 6 टाइम MLA तारापुर. बिकम यंगेस्ट मिनिस्टर इन राबड़ी देवी गवर्नमेंट एज एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर 1999. पॉलिटिकल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम समता पार्टी. इलेक्टेड MLA फ्रॉम परबता ऑन RJD टिकट 2000, बट इलेक्शन डिक्लेयर्ड वाइड बाई कोर्ट इन 2003. अगेन MLA फ्रॉम परबता इन 2010. बिकम चीफ व्हिप of opposition party. JDU joined JDU. Served as urban development and housing minister 2014 in Jitan Ram Manjhi government. Founding member of Manjhi Hindustan Awam Morcha 2015. Served in the Bihar Legislative Council 14 से 16, 20 से 25 as a leader of opposition. Joined BJP in 2017. Become Bihar BJP president 2023. Served as deputy CM of Bihar Jan 2024 से अप्रैल 2026. बिफोर बिकमिंग CM 2026. करेंटली MLA फ्रॉम तारापुर कंस्टिट्यूएंसी 2025 बिहार असेंबली इलेक्शन. 17 विश्वकर्मा अवार्ड 2026 बिहार बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन डिपार्टमेंट रिसीव्ड इन द अचीवमेंट अवार्ड ऑफ बेस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट कैटेगरी फॉर 2 प्रोजेक्ट. बापू टावर गर्दनीबाग पटना, बुद्धा सम्यक दर्शन संग्रहालय एंड स्मृति स्तूपा वैशाली. बिहार प्रीवियस विनर सम्राट अशोक कन्वेंशन सेंटर एंड अंजुमान इस्लामिया हॉल, बोथ बाई बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन डिपार्टमेंट. बापू टावर लोकेटेड एट गर्दनीबाग पटना, डेडिकेटेड टू महात्मा गांधी आइडियोलॉजी. बुद्धा सम्यक दर्शन संग्रहालय वैशाली, साइट ऑफ सेकेंड बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल 383 BC, बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ लॉर्ड महावीर. Bihar Cabinet approved setting up dedicated research park at IIT Patna. President Draupadi Murmu approved the President's Police Color Award, also called Nissan, for Bihar Police in April 26, the highest honor award to any police organization in India. First police force to receive its CRPF by Sardar Patel in 1950. When President is absent, Home Minister or Vice President to present it. Daycare Center of Thalassemia or Hemophilia. Bihar to set up a special center in 6 government medical college with integrated 3 treatment, including blood transfusion, essential medicine, sickle cell anemia, and specialist consultation under one roof. 6 designated institute: PMCH Patna, AIIMS Patna, SKMCH Muzaffarpur, JLNMCH Bhagalpur, GMC Purnia, ANMMCH Gaya. Bihar Horticulture Director won the Golden Peacock Innovative Product Service Award 2026 for its work on makhana value chain, makhana, foxnut or Ural Ferox. 90% produced in India. GI tag under one district, one product. Bihar first high speed corridor National Expressway 9, 250 km 6 lane Greenfield Express start at Mirnagar Areji Hajipur NH22, end at Hansda Purnia NH27 east west corridor. Bihar first expressway built entirely within state boundary. लिंक रोड कनेक्टिंग समस्तीपुर सहरसा मधेपुरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर. 7 वंडर्स पार्क, एन इको फ्रेंडली थीम पार्क फीचरिंग सोलर पावर replicas of world iconic monument being developed in Bodh Gaya. Buddha enlightenment under Bodhi tree. Pancham digital chatbot, a WhatsApp-based AI assistant launched by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj and UNICEF, designed to provide instant support, scheme information and training to Panchayat reservation and citizens, recently piloted in Bihar. Nalanda University hosted India-Portugal dialogue in Rajgir, Nalanda to mark 50 years of diplomatic relation between the two countries. Revived Ancient University, inaugurated by PM Modi in June 24, located near ruins of ancient Nalanda University, 5th to 12th century CE. Rajgir, also capital of ancient Magad Kingdom, site of first Buddhist council 483 BC. Second glass bridge of Bihar will be built up Azgai Binath Dham in Bhagalpur. First in Rajgir, Azgai Binath Dham, Sultanganj, Bhagalpur, an ancient Lord Shiva temple known for its Shambhu Shiva Lingam, a key stop for Kavar Yatra pilgrims who collect holy Ganga water from here to offer at Badrinath Dham, Devghar, Jharkhand. Buddha statue, copper idol craft. IIT Patna ranked at 5th position in the Technology and AI Education Ranking 2026 by Chronicle of India. Bihar first Sport Science Center will be established at Patliputra Sport Complex, Patna, and Rajgir Sport Academy to improve athletic performance through physiotherapy, biomechanics, nutrition, and rehabilitation. Beta MSME Technology Center, inaugurated at Sikandarpur, Bihta, Patna, to promote entrepreneurship, employment, and SC/ST business participation. Extension Center, launched in Muzaffarpur, Rohtas, Darbhanga, and Munger. Ministry of MSME, Nari Shakti for Viksit Bharat Run, CM Samrat Chaudhary flagged off the run in Patna, 17 April 2026 under Nari Shakti Bandhan Abhiyan to promote women-led development and Viksit Bharat participation. 106 Amendment Act, 13% reservation for 33% reservation for Census 27 self-enumeration. CM Samrat Chaudhary launched Bihar self-enumeration phase of Census 27 from CM Secretariat, Patna, 17 अप्रैल से 1 मई 2026, allowing citizens to submit family details online and receive a self-enumeration ID. Bihar Governor Syed Ata Hussain performed the self-enumeration at the first citizen. Ministry of Minority Affairs, IIT Patna MOU under PM विकास प्रधानमंत्री विरासत का संवर्धन to train 600 Bihar minority youth in AI and business analytics for better employability. Nitya Pandey of Pipra, Aurangabad, Bihar, selected to represent India at the Asian Boxing Under 15 and Under 17 Championship 26 held in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, May 26. 55 kg Under 15 girls, Bihar first female boxer to be selected for an Asian Boxing Championship. She was defeated by Kazakhstan's Aruna Salman in Under 15 quarter final. Bihar Tourism Hub. Bihar will develop Gaya, Rohtas, Vaishali as a global tourism hub under one state, one global destination, focusing on connecting digital infrastructure and civic amenities. One state, one global destination scheme introduced in budget 25-26 aims to develop one world-class tourist destination in every state UT. Gaya, Bodh Gaya Buddha Enlightenment Mahabodhi Temple, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Vishnupad Temple, major Buddhist pilgrimage center for Japan, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Myanmar. Rohtas Fort, Mughal era Sher Shah Suri stronghold, UNESCO tentative list. Son River Gorge, Durgavati waterfall, eco-tourism potential. Vaishali Second Buddhist Council, birthplace of Mahavir, 24 Tirthankar of Jainism, Ashoka pillar associated with Lichavi Republic, world's first democratic republic. Project Uran. Patna Municipal Corporation launched Project Uran to provide free coaching UPSC, BPSC, JEE, NEET for children of sanitation worker, funding entirely from CSR. Bihar in Gyan Bharatam mission. Bihar ranked third nationally in manuscript verification with 7.5 lakh manuscript. 22% of total surveyed under the Gyan Bharatam mission. Madhubani hold first position in manuscript counter under Ministry of Culture. Bihar Nursery and Green Tech Conclave 26, 3-day national level event inaugurated at Gyan Bhavan, Patna to promote technology-driven horticulture and higher farmer income under the theme of Parampara se Pragati tak, from tradition to progress. Bihar Highway Emergency Runway. Bihar plans to develop 3 emergency landing facilities. Highway strip usable by fighter and transport aircraft during emergency. Planned location: Patna Purnia Expressway, Northeast 9, Gorakhpur Siliguri Expressway and Ram Janaki Marg. High security jail. Bihar plan to establish a high security prison in Kaimur Hills region to house hardcore criminals. Kaimur Hills, port of Vindhya Range and on Bihar-UP border. 16th Hockey India Sub Junior Main Championship 26 held at Rajgir Sport Complex, Nalanda. UP won the title by defeating Hockey Madhya Pradesh 5-2 in the final. DRDO Defense Expo in Motihari. DRDO held a 4-day indigenous defense exhibition 15 से 18 अप्रैल 26 at Motihari. Bihar showcasing system like BrahMos, Akash, Arjun tank and radar technology to promote आत्मनिर्भर भारत. थीम शांति, सत्य और विज्ञान का संगम, सुरक्षित और आत्मनिर्भर भारत की ओर. इनॉग्रेटेड बाई राधा मोहन सिंह MP इस चंपारण, चेयरमैन पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑन डिफेंस. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज पोषण पखवाड़ा 26 एक्टिविटीज इन बेगूसराय टू स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस ऑन maternal and child nutrition, anemia prevention and balanced diet under पोषण अभियान. पोषण अभियान लॉन्च्ड ऑन 8 मार्च 2018 झुंझुनू राजस्थान. नेशनल न्यूट्रिशन मंथ सितंबर पखवाड़ा मार्च. अपूर्वा वर्मा from Ara won the Miss India 26 title as national pageant held in Ahmedabad. Bihar to establish cyber forensic lab in Patna and Rajgir in collaboration with National Forensic Science University. NFSU, India's and world first and only national level university dedicated to forensic science. Headquarter Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Established under National Forensic Science University Act 2020. Bhagalpur become the Bihar first district to fully dispose of seized narcotics. Drug disposal done under NDPS Act 1985, Narcotics, Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act, which mandate court approved destruction of seized narcotics. M. Patna entered Limca Book of Record 26 for the successful neurosurgical removal of a 35 mm fish bone from patient cervical spine. Operation led by Dr. Suraj Kumar Singh with assistance of Dr. Kranti Bhavna. Sultanganj, Bhagalpur to host a major greenfield airport. 4.2 km runway, target completion 2030.